Hey, Brady here with Entrepreneur Vision HQ. Hey, I'm coming to you to show you an unboxing of Russell Brunson's new Expert Secrets book that he's giving away for free. And if you upgrade, you have the opportunity to get not only his Expert Secrets book for free that you pay a small shipping and handling fee on, about $8, $7.95 US. But if you upgrade to the black box, you get a lot of great goodies, including his first book, .com Secrets. And that's why I've upgraded, and I'm gonna do an unboxing reveal of that black box right now. So check it out. All right, let's unbox my free Expert Secrets book by Russell Brunson. It was shipped to me, comes in this box here. Let's go ahead and unbox Clickfunnels free book here they sent me. Give me a thank you, just a thank you card here. There's a quick start guide to this black box. Again, I don't know if you order just this book, Expert Secrets. This is free, just pay a small shipping fee, but I don't know what all is gonna come in that box. Probably this book with some other materials here. But look, for $20, you get this free book for just a small shipping cost to get this book to you. There's Robert Kiyosaki saying this is one of the shortcuts of the new rich. It's an underground playbook for creating a mass movement of people who will pay for your advice. Awesome. Can't wait to get into this book and see what it's all about. I know a lot of people are saying some great things about Russell Brunson's new Expert Secrets book. Here's a few other things that came with my black box. Some funnel scripts, how to get all of your sales letter scripts and webinar slides written in under 10 minutes. A lot of other goodies here, some online event tickets to go check out. Some more stickers, looks like a manifesto. I gotta tell you, I do it for the stickers, right? I'm a funnel hacker. So if you're an online entrepreneur and you don't have Clickfunnels, I'll put a link in the description below. You can try it for a free trial run. Here's the sticker, man. This is why I got the black box. Some other cool stuff, some short reads, literature, ClickFunnels secrets. All right. Action X is kind of like ClickFunnels email autoresponder feature that you can upgrade to, or just use your own. You don't have to upgrade to that, but some cool literature there. Fill your funnel secrets. Kind of cool. So, you know, brush up, get going, learn some stuff. Russell's Secret Sketches. I love his sketches. Bathroom read, you know what I'm talking about. This is why I got the black box. I paid a little bit extra for the .com Secrets bestseller for USA Today. If you want to grow your company online, you need to read this book. I heard a lot of great raving reviews about it. I'm going to actually get started with this first because this one is the one he first wrote. And if you want to get the black box or just your free book here, click on the description link and you have an option to get this, pay a small shipping fee to get this book. And if you want, you can get this black box. Go check it out. Russell does a great job on showing you a video on what's going on. If you like this video, this unboxing, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And hey, if you have any comments, put something in the comments below. I really would appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next video.